Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about a different scenario. So how to find the ranking between from 10 to 20 or 50 to 60. So how to find that we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos, SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and SSIS. So now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. Okay, so category, customer, date, so geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, and subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. So now we can see that for example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on date and order date key, I have enabled the relationship between the date table and internet sales table. So even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flying from the one direction to like a date table to internet sales table. So like that I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. So we'll try to speak more on upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report only. Okay, and just click on report. So now we can see that this is the table visual. So in this we have customers, so each customer wise we have sales. Okay, so each customer wise we have sales. So and we have the ranking, so ranking 1, ranking 2, ranking 3. So here we can see that so different measures I have created. So why I have created all these, I'll try to explain each and everything. So in this, so I'll try to take the snipping. So here each customer wise we have the sales. Okay, with respect to the each customer wise we have sales amount. So in rank 1 measure, so I am creating the ranks for each customer based on the sales amount. Based on the sales amount, I am generating the ranks for each customers. Okay, so in rank 1 measure, but in rank 2, based on the slicer selection. For example, if we select 1 to 150 means only I have to show from the ranking 1 to 150. For example, if I select 10 to 20 means only have to display 10 from ranking 10 to 20. So based on this between the rank selection, so I need to display the ranks in this measure. Okay, in third measure, so based on the ranks I am displaying the sales amount for the respective customers. What are the ranks we have displayed here? So based on that ranking we are displaying the sales amount. So in this card visual I'm just capturing, so what are the ranks in between, I'm just capturing and putting into the card visual. Okay, now we'll go to the report. So now we can see that, so now we got the overview of what is this. So this is the table visual now. So now we can see we have up to 150. So how I got this means, so I have used the generate series function. I'll try to show that. Just click on here. Now you can see that I'll try to zoom it. So by using generate series I have started from 1 to 115 by incrementing 1. Now you can see 150 rows here. So this one as I have taken as a slicer. So based on the slicer, so whenever I do the changes, automatically we are capturing into this card visual. For example, now so I want to show from 1 to 16 ranks. Okay, for example I want to show only 1 to 16. Now you can see in these two measures automatically reflecting 1 to 16. Okay, here also we can see rankings between 1 and 16. Okay, Even you can change anything. 33, now you can see 33. For example, even you can move this one also. If you want to see ranks between 15 and 33, what are the ranks between these two numbers, we can see. I'll try to give space. See, 15, from 15 to it will give 33. You can do any slicing, dicing. What are the ranks you want to see, we can change it here automatically. We can see from 96 to, see, from 96 to up to 111 ranks. So we can change based on that. So dynamically we are capturing only those ranks in between, only between those two numbers. What are the ranks we have selected, only we are showing those numbers only. See, from 34 to 44. So like that. So we have written the expression under. See, in this page, so we can see clearly. Now we can see from 13 to 26. Even you can increase from 13 to 60 ranks. So if you want to see, I want to see the customers, the ranks 45 to 60, or we can change it based on that. It's dynamically working. Okay, so now I will try to show what kind of expressions I have written, so to get this one. So in rank 1, so I have used the variable here. So in rank x function I have used the filter function. In descending order it's not required filter function, but in ascending order we need to filter. So what are the customers having sales, only we have to take those customers. If the customer did not having sales, we did not include that while generating the ranks under. Okay, in rank 2, so basically for capturing ranks, so I have used the concatenate function. So first excuse me, first I have taken the min-x function. So I'm just capturing what is the minimum rank while slicing. So after that I have used this string. So finally I'm concatenating into the integer. Okay, in the second variable, so I'm taking the max. Here I'm taking the max from the slicer. So even this one also I'm just concatenating, because if we didn't do that, we are getting the error while drag this measure into the report canvas. We are getting the error. So that is the reason I have converting a string into this integer. And finally I have declared another variable. Here I'm generating the ranks for each customer wise, and I used the condition like, if this, what are the variable I have declared, if it is greater than minimum value and less than or equal to max value, if it is that, return this expression, otherwise make it a blank. Even say for rank 2 and 3, only difference is here I'm just calling the ranks. In rank 3 I'm just declared as a total sales. That is the only difference, remaining everything so exactly same, only there's no difference at all. So likewise, so sometimes there are some cases that customers want to see random ranks between 10 to 20 or 15 to 30, whatever it is. So it will work that cases, so easily we can build this kind of report. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this report. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for other videos. Thanks so much for watching.